Can acrylic paint be used on plastic surfaces?
Hello everyone! Today we're going to answer a popular question many of our crafty and artistic followers have asked. Can acrylic paint be used on plastic surfaces? This question is quite common, especially among those who are interested in upcycling or creatively repurposing plastic items.
Can you use acrylic paint on plastic?
To answer the question straightforwardly, yes, you can use acrylic paint on plastic surfaces. Acrylic paints are versatile and can adhere to many different surfaces, including plastic. However, there are some important factors to consider to get the best results.
Preparing the plastic surface.
Preparation is key when it comes to painting on plastic. Plastic surfaces are generally smooth and non-porous, which can make paint adherence a challenge. Here's what you need to do. 1. Clean the surface. Use soap and water to clean the surface of the plastic item thoroughly. Remove any dirt, grime, or oils that could prevent the paint from adhering properly. 2. Sand the surface. Lightly sanding the plastic will create a slightly rougher texture, making it easier for the paint to stick. Use a fine grit sandpaper for this. 3. Apply a primer. Using a primer designed for plastic surfaces can increase the paint's adhesion. Let the primer dry completely before proceeding with painting.
Painting the plastic surface.
Now that your plastic surface is prepared, it's time to paint. Remember to paint in thin, even coats to avoid clumps and drips. Allow each layer to dry completely before adding the next one. This will help you achieve a smooth and professional-looking finish.
Sealing your painted plastic.
After your acrylic paint has dried thoroughly, it's time to seal your work. Using a sealant is highly recommended to protect the paint from chipping, peeling, or scratching. Opt for a sealant that's suitable for acrylic paints and plastic surfaces. Once the sealant is dry, your painted plastic piece is ready to go. And there you have it. Now you know that not only can you use acrylic paint on plastic, but with the right preparation and sealing steps, you can achieve great results. So, next time you think about throwing away that old plastic item, consider giving it a fresh, creative touch with some acrylic paint instead. Happy painting!